Hello everyone, my name is Alona and I play the violin. How many hours a day should a musician practice? Every musician asks this question. Everybody is interested in it, but there is no a definite answer. I personally know a musician who practices for 8 hours a day and has achieved nothing. I also know some very skilled musicians who practice for approximately 3 hours a day. Having said that, we can come to the conclusion that it doesn't matter how many hours a day we practice. What matters is how we practice. What is the point of practicing for 8 hours a day if you achieve much less than those who practice for only 3? People come to your performances not to find out how many hours you practice. This is of interest to nobody. They merely come to listen to the music you play. The key idea is to optimize and organize your practice time. It's extremely important. First of all, make a list of the tasks you have to complete during your practice session. For instance, the first thing you should do is warm up by playing scales, etudes, arpeggios, and so on, depending on the instrument you play. Devoting 15 or 20 minutes to this warm-up should be enough. Don't spend hours warming up, as it takes too much energy. You are simply warming up, and 20 minutes is enough. Then begin working on your problems. Do not waste time practicing what you already play well. You must find your problems and then work on them until you can play them well. This is absolutely crucial. You should set clear, visible and achievable tasks that you have to complete. What is really important is taking a break while you are practicing. If you have 3 or 4 hours, I would highly recommend dividing your time up into several periods. For example, you should spend 45 minutes practicing and then 15 minutes resting. It's desirable to let your mind clear. Your brain can only concentrate on something for roughly 45 minutes before getting tired. When 45 minutes have passed, you should ask yourself what you have accomplished, what has changed. It's crucial to see the results of your work, because a lot of people waste their time practicing for nothing. They just enjoy playing the pieces they have already learned and that they already know. Your aim should be to practice what you don't yet know. You should be able to demonstrate the results of your practicing to yourself. If you cannot, you have simply wasted your time. It would have been much better if you had a nap. If you get tired while practicing and cannot concentrate on what you are doing, or you feel distracted, take a break. There is no point in continuing to practice while in such a state. Practicing in this way is simply wasting your time. Okay, you have had a break. Your mind is clear. Continue practicing. Set your tasks for the next 45 minutes and so on. Normally, musicians cannot practice this way for more than 3 or 4 hours. However, if you can practice in this manner for 8 hours, you must be a genius, or you have superpowers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. You should value your time and not waste even a second of it.